Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll explore the object philosophy of the tag editor. To know more about object philosophy, navigate to IDE window. Open tag editor using shortcut Ctrl+T. Right-click on blank space of user tags area. And click on Create Object Type. Create Object Type window will open. Click on New Object Type to rename it. Right-click on New Object Type and select Add Tag option. You can add as much tags as you want. Rename the tags. Right-click on the desired tag to change the data type. Go to Data Types option and select the desired data type. Click on Save, OK. Created object type will be populated in user tag list. Right-click to create object and enter the OBJ name and click on Save. Object will be created successfully. Let's see another method to create object. Open the tag editor. Click on Object Type. Enter the file name. Click on Open. Enter the object type name. Enter tag name and its data type. Enter the object name. Save the Excel file data. Click on Create and Close. Navigate to Process Manager. Right-click on LTIDE process and select Kill the selected process option. Now, right-click on it and select Restart the selected process. Now, navigate to IDE window and open Tag Editor. You can observe that multiple tags are created at once. Next, click on the object type. This option is to modify already created object type. And choose the Modify Object Type option. Select the object type name you want to modify. Also enter the file name. Click on Open. For example, I want to change the data type of response voltage tag. Select the tag and paste in New Name section and enter the new data type. Then save the Excel file. Click on Modify, Save and Close. Navigate to Process Manager. Right-click on LTIDE process and choose Kill the selected process option. Again, right-click on it and select Restart the selected process. Now, navigate to IDE window and open Tag Editor. You can observe that data type of response voltage has changed. Now we will see how to create multiple objects at once. Open Tag Editor. Click on Object, choose Create Multiple Object option. Select the object type from drop-down. You can create random object and sequential objects. For example, I want to create any 3 random object, then I will choose this option. Enter the name of objects to be created. Click on Save and Close. You can see the multiple objects are created at once. Now, if you want to create sequential object, go to Object, Create Multiple Object. Then select the object type and select the option of Object Creation. Enter the details like, select the option of Object Creation, enter the object name number from and to, etc. You can see the multiple objects are created at once in sequential manner. Now we will see how to delete multiple object type at once. Go to Object, select Delete Multiple Object option. Select the object type and select the object you want to delete. Click on Save and Close. That's all about Tag Editor object philosophy. You can refer to SmartComm help file for more information.
Thank you for watching.